Okay, it looks like we're live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on my hash map in Odin. Yeah, so I just want to sort of continue to develop it and look more into how Odin works, sort of. Yeah, so right now, I guess it doesn't output anything, does it? I can make it output some stuff. So, we can just print out the whole hash map, I think. I could even make a function for that, probably. But yeah, we can run that, and here's all of them. So we insert, three values here, and the keys are all strings. Right now, the values can only be integers. I'll try to look into that today to use like generic types, things like that, right? And also there's the availability. So, right. So I need to make. I think first I'll make a function to print out every part of it that is used basically. So I think to do that we can make just map print pass the hash map, and we can just grab this basically. Let's make map like this, yes. And we can just basically see if if val dot unavailable, right? If it is not unavailable, then we want to print this out, right? No. Yeah, if it's unavailable, then we want to print out. That's how it is. So yeah, that is all of the stuff that we insert there. So that's good. Um, let's see. I don't really want to print out the whole thing. So let's have a data print, right? And this will just take a data. So we'll pass the value there. And we can have data. It's a data element. Probably even a pointer, right? Let's print out the relevant things, right? In a nicer way. That's not going to be there. So for my print line, print out data dot val, and then what is the and data dot key. See how that works. Can I take that? All right, we can do this then. There we go. Okay, yeah. So that we should print out the index as well, probably. Print. We can use not we can do printf, I think, and we can print out the index. So we're gonna need the index, I suppose. Index in. How do you do that exactly? So yeah, in there. Okay, so we can print out the index. So we'll print the index. And I want it to be like this. So we'll have the index and then a space, right? So we know what the element is. I don't want a new one. Yes, that's the index of it. This is the value, and this is the key, right? So we can also do that. So we just print f again here. So value is value, and then the key is the key, and a new line as well. Right, that should look a bit nicer then. Yeah, there we go. So value index. Maybe we can even put index here. And we'll use a comma. Okay. There we go. So now that looks a bit nicer to print out basically the whole hash map. Alright. So yeah, we also have this checking errors, and right, that's how it's handled. It's similar to Go, right? We could have a handle error function or something, right? Instead of checking every time, but I guess that's not too much, right? Don't need to think about that too much. Right, we try to get it and we check that. Okay, so I think that's good. I think this is how you handle it. I could even look at that. There it is. Is there a good error thing? What's that error? Yes, that's it. Looks like that's what it would be, right? I'm assuming that is enum, right? That makes sense to me, I think. Okay. That's really maybe like a clear function, right? Which basically clears the whole hash map. So we have this delete. I want to basically just set the whole thing. Let me look at the dynamic arrays again. Dynamic arrays. Right, is there a way to sort of just clear the whole thing, you know? It can be sliced. Oh, there is a dot sort function, so that's cool. Okay. Yeah, we want to delete a slice, so delete. Yeah, clear it. There we go. That's what we want. So we can just call it clear. The len is that then, but the capacity should be the same. So yeah, and just clear. And that's not how you do that exactly. We need to actually do this. All right, let's try clear patch map. We know what it is, and then I'll just I'll print the capacity of patchmap.data. 32. All right, yeah. So it keeps the same capacity, so that's good. But everything else is cleared. So if we do map print, then after that it should be all 0, right? It is, yes. Because if we comment out this one. Yeah, alright, perfect. So that does work. The map clear does indeed work. Alright, so I might write out like a readme quickly, and then I'll get to I had to learn how generics work because I've never really used them too much. Right, so that is sort of a thing. But let's write a readme. I could use int for this as well. So this is Hashmap in Odin. Well, Odin Hashmap. Hashmap implementation in Odin. Okay. So we'll do a quick start. Is you clone the repository, of course, and then you cd into it's called Odin Hashmap. Okay. cd there, and then you just do Odin run. That will run, right? We can space here as well. All right, and then so the documentation basically is the function. So we need Odin. Odin. I think that'll work, right? And let me just grab all the functions. All the functions, right? The ones that you would use. So you wouldn't use hash, right? You would use these ones though. I'll put them in here, and then I'll write out the what they are basically. There is some extra stuff here, but that's fine. There's a lot. Because the copy paste to the clipboard doesn't quite work right. So I'm gonna clear to the there we go. So we don't need the name actually. We do want print. That prints it. Data print. I don't know that we really need to show that one. Might keep it anyway. Delete. Alright, on that. So this basically, I was adding some comments for what they do. So this one, initialize map with capacity. So we don't actually have the ability to grow a map, right? A hash map. So that is something that we need as well. So this insert element into a map at location. And then this get element at location. Delete element from map at location. Clear entire map. Print a single element of map. Theta is the element, right? And then also print entire number. Okay. So this is the functions, right? And then, well, let's have an example. Which will look something like this, right? So, hashmap equals map init, right? And that will return an empty hashmap. And then you can do what now? Insert as the hashmap as well as the key. So the key will be key and then value, right? So 12. And then you also check the error. So if let me catch the second error. If error not equal errors dot okay, then error. Right. And the highlighting is broken for some reason, but that's fine. If that, and then yeah. Print hashtag. Prints the available. The unavailable elements. Prints the used elements. Okay. Okay, and let's look at that. Then I'll actually look into generics and stuff. Yeah. Alright, so that looks good. I'm not going to go too in-depth or whatever. Yeah, so generic, right, there was something for that. So, polymorphism. This is similar to that, okay. So, what is this then? So I don't get quite how this works. Oh shoot, you also can do that. I didn't realize that was a thing. That's pretty cool. Like initialize structs like that. Okay. Ratios and unions may have polymorphic parameters. So this is the one that I want. Compile time constant. So val is a float 32. That's an int. So we know it's an int. So you need to provide the type ID. That's not how you spell that. Generics in Odin. I want to see, you know, an idea of how it works. Does the AI have something good? Right. What's gonna end up with that? Right, this is not even Odin, so this does not know what it is. Okay. Yeah. You know, I'm not familiar with them, so I don't know how they work. Right. Just kind of learning a whole different thing other than just like. But let me look. So we have we have this. So this is the one that we want to be generic like that, right? Parameters, right? It's not a type, yeah. Look at the structs. Right? Is there a way? Is there a way to do that? Is that not something that is possible exactly? Right. I don't know if the type ID thing is an actual keyword, or if that is like an example thing. Yeah. How do units work? Let me look at the units because we could also use that. So, all right, let's see. Well, this will be data unit. I'm gonna try it out. So do that. Double sign T. No nil. Do I need to do that? Okay, so that is something. So type to map. My output fix. No. How do you redirect it again? There we go. That works. So unclear type name error. Yes, that's actually errors, and it needs to errors. Valid parameter type. All right, return that. So that is 67. Data union. Okay, invalid use of that. Right. Don't assign that. Okay. So val is set to an 8. So can I do right, then it works. But it is still constraint creating, so I can use like this. F32, yeah. If I change this, then there's gonna be other problems, right? Let me simplify it a little, get rid of some of the inserts. Right, just so it's easier to work, right, and test. Yeah, so this, right, if I set the return to be that, it works there. Well, it still wouldn't work entirely because it's still the wrong type. Go to here. Then just that can be changed. And then could it be defined by the user? Is that possible? Hello, Stam. How you doing? Hello. Interesting. It doesn't quite print it out right because it's expecting that. So perhaps I could use not printf for that. Well, what? Hmm. So we can't quite print that out right. Uh, right. Extra 5. So it doesn't. Hmm. I don't quite know how you would do that. You do that? Like a cast? Can't do that. Mm. Hmm. I'll leave it at that for now. It doesn't look very good, but that's okay. And also we don't have a new line. Oh, this should be print line, that's why. There we go. Okay, that looks better. Odin means one in Russian. Really? I did not know that. Hmm. One. I should learn some Russian. Okay, now it prints better. That's good. Here, and then run it again. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so now it can be chained, right? If you want it to be. It's still gonna fail because, you know what? That actually still needs to be in it, so that's fine. Printing. Hmm. Might be a string. When we turn 0 like that, it's gonna cause a problem. Can I return null or nil or something like that? Or is that not possible? Let's go back to int. Alright, so nil is return 0. Okay, now let's make a string. And then, yeah, so you can't just set that. That is like a user error. Right? Let me just do that. This can be. Okay, so that does work. Cool, cool. Still kind of limiting though. Like that, right? Because that's like a compile time constant, basically. Mm. Akinator guesses you 2 out of 3 times. I should try it. I will open Akinator here. I'm trying at the end of the stream. I have not gotten it to actually guess me. But yeah, like I said in the Discord. Uh, that's kind of funny though. It's funny. It didn't take very long. I thought it would take long to get in there, you know? Mm. Oh, so it could be an error. Can I have it just be that? Or is that not valid? Yeah, that is. So, maybe it would be better to have it be that or errors. And then when you return it, you just check if it's an error. Let me look at the union, right? I want to see sort of how it works. Go up to the first one. Here. Union, I cannot type. Can you get the type of a union? Raw union? Units, yes. So, oh, okay, so you can do that. Hmm. Alright, that's pretty cool that you can actually get the type. Get the type there. So, what was I gonna use that for? There was something I was thinking, but right, to check if it's an error. So if we have it be able to be errors, right? You can just return the errors. Do you have a hard mattress? It is not very hard, no. If I do that, we don't need this, and there's no, so then we just check if it is that. That's pretty cool. So then we check here, error. Program question right there, for real. Not get, yeah, so the get. So this, if error, how do you check that? Error dot errors. Oh yeah, yeah. So there's only one of them now. This can actually be vowels. We can do it like that. It should be like that. Invalid type assertion. Hmm. Convert that. Yeah, and to errors from that. Type assert. Have you ever been abroad? I have not. I've only been in the United States. Errors. Hola, how you doing? What is up? You guys big enough, so it's alright. Yes. Facts. Right, so we cannot do that. So if it's not T, I want to check with an if statement. Switch VM, okay. Salut. Right, so type up. So if type of val equals errors and val does not equal errors dot type of is not declared. How do you get type of? Oh, it's underscore. Underscore, okay. Type of, there we go. Pub speaks Spanish. Rio, Rio. Alright, so that works. That works indeed. Could not get element. So if we change it to something else, it should be able not get it, right? And it does not fail, so that's not good. print data val. Data print. Data print. There we go. Nope. Oh shoot. Because val is just that. That's why. Okay, so I need just print it. So it is not in that. If it's errors and the val is not errors, okay. It's supposed to do that, but it's not trigger that. Why is that? Val. What? Alright, so we cannot use that as an argument. So that doesn't work. It doesn't. Did not work. What? I'm confused. Oh shoot, it's supposed to be like that. Alright, there we go. That makes sense. Okay, but that cannot be done at compile time. Union tags. Would have finished hours ago had you used C. Well, I mean, you know, I'm not really familiar with the language. It's simpler than C, I think. So, try checking out some of your YouTube content, like how you post simple things, making a hash map, more complex things. Yeah, for sure. I usually do simple things when I'm, you know, want to sort of take a small break, but I still want to program, or when I'm looking at a new language, like with this. For sure. Get the type though. No nil. Twitchbot and Rust, yeah, for sure. I need both, Rust and Go. There is built-in hash maps as well, so I could use those, but I'm not going to. Nice. So that does not work. Yeah, so we can check that. Go bloat as shoot. You know, a little bit. Odin's, it's not exactly the same as Go, but syntactically it's quite similar, but less bloated, right? So we like that, for sure. Now if I make it the correct one, is it print? No. It's the type of val not correct. So hash type is string, so it knows what it is. How? Alright, so I guess we have to do it like this then. So let's do val and okay. Close that dot. Alright, so we need to do if not okay. Alright, there we go. Oh, that works then. Text. Why does it print text? Okay, that's the value. Alright, yeah, so that's how we can check that. Alright, so that's probably a better way of doing it than that. But there might be a different way of doing this as well. But yeah, that's pretty similar to Go, when you have the multiple return values and things like that. Right. Yeah, so we can't redefine T. If it's user defined, define that. Okay. So if it was a library, could you define it then? Where you do at the top, you put whatever type you want it to be. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do that, but the mode with audio only. That's interesting for a programming string. Oh, that's something. There might be a better way to do that, but I can do it like this for now. Okay, okay. Add some. Wi-Fi is bad right now. I know all about that for sure, as you know. Let me look at hash function, right? It's a good hash function. I forgot which one I used. I could actually look at my. See, here, I'll have to find it. 160p, dang. Dang. Hashmap, yeah, it's just called Hashmap. I can look at that, because there was a hash function that I used in there. What? Oh, yeah, this was the testing thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna look at the actual. It's a header only. Yes. So that's that. Hashmap hash. Let's look at that. So we have a prime number. We iterate over that. Multiply by 31 plus the that. Okay, let me try that. So we'll just define prime here. Set. And then hash. So we have to starts out as the prime. And then we iterate over that. And then the result plus equals this. Yeah, so it's not too different actually from what I have here. So 31 hash times 31. Let's do that. Okay, result equals hash times not hash, but result times 31 plus hash. I think we can do just like this. Right. Okay. Then it's a different index. Is Odin fast? As far as I know, it's pretty fast. Because there's no garbage collector. It's compiled. All that stuff. Right. So it should be. I don't know that it's necessarily as optimized as some languages like Rust or C or whatever, but it should be, you know, up there. My card though. Odin build. Alright. I mean, that was fast. I could do a speed. I should do a test between C, Rust, Go, and Odin or something like that. Not faster than JS. Of course not. Of course not. Yes, that seems to be it. So that should work. I can also do the. Don't really have the capacity right now though, so yeah, you just have to do that when you call the hash function. That's good. Okay, so that should be a better hashing function then, I suppose. But you can mess around. I don't care necessarily to make it perfect or whatever. I want to actually look at so Odin versus Rust benchmarks. Let's take a look. Flashbang. That's fine. Is that fine? Kind of bright. I will. There we go. Now it's not as bright. Okay. Time. Alright, so it is quite a bit slower here. So for binary trees, why is there more Rust? Yeah, it actually looks like it's a lot slower. Here it was quite similar, but you know, actually it was faster, I guess. Okay. Yeah, so it's slowest there. Yeah, it's quite a bit slower, I guess. Bruh. Dang. Look at that. That's pretty bad. Okay. It's faster than one of them here. Whoa. Oh, wait, that's faster than itself. Okay. There must be a big improvement here. Rust Goder. Odin did beat it here. What is NC? We can actually see. So Zig is the fastest here. Then Nim, okay, CC, and then Odin. Fast save concurrent. It's just hard, you know? So beats it, yeah. So on that one. Spectral Norm. Yeah, it looks like Rust does win in most scenarios. Just on this one, though. One test. So we could look at some other ones, perhaps. And also in the future, it's probably going to get a lot faster as more optimizations are implemented, you know? But I guess so will Rust. These are left hope, okay. That's not. Straight wall loop? Really, on Odin. Oh, this is from 2018 though, so the language was pretty new then. Could be an advertisement for real. You're actually getting paid by Rust Foundation. JavaScript. Wow, JavaScript faster than Rust. Confirmed. Confirmed. Crazy. JavaScript version. Odin version is so 10.5 seconds, 3.5 for C. Okay, C go. JavaScript 5. Oh, I guess the summary was right here. Okay, so C is the go. C is the only language better than JavaScript. Confirmed. Oh, you can turn on optimizations. Okay. Bigger bonus. Right. So it compiles to LLVM. I didn't know that. CC here, which is GCC. They use LLVM. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what I'm hearing here is LLVM sucks. Okay. Kind of off topic this is, but it's interesting. Benefiting from JIT optimizations, right? So doing poorly. Here's it bad. Kind of loop. Water is running. If you heard that. Nothing special in the loop. Okay. Google up disabling the borrow check. Ooh. Disabling. Can't turn it off. So you can't. Is that what it is? Can't turn it off. This macro is that. Ads? Wait, he's playing ads? Really? It shouldn't be. It's only supposed to play them when you join. Okay. Can turn off the borrow checker. So it does. I'm a little confused. So you can? Hmm. Good ad time. Why did it play an ad? It should play an ad in the middle. Only at the start. Engine's turning off the bar check. For real. For real. Does that make it a lot faster though? Or does it not? Take a chat for real. This is the actual creator, so probably not slower at all. Just have a bit. Okay. So the runtime startup is the bottleneck there. I don't know. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, it does seem to be a bit slower than some of the other languages, but it's still obviously gonna be a lot faster than Go, right? Versus Go. Yeah, Vercel. That's what I was going for. Okay. So Go, then Go faster. What is this? A 1M. Tiny Go. Yeah, I don't know what those are exactly. But yeah, so it's a bit slower there. Faster here. It's not way faster though, which I would expect. And Go is faster a lot. Garbage collection steals performance. Yeah, it does. I don't get why it's slower here though. Unless I'm reading this wrong. I don't think so. See, it's quite a bit faster here. Mandelbrot. Yeah, so that makes sense. Yeah, about twice as fast here. How does it not? It's a bit interesting, to be honest. It's usually at least comparable, but usually faster. I would have expected it to be a lot faster. Let's look at analysis. Build versus Rust speed. I want to see that. Can I have the same thing? Is there Rust versus Go? Yeah, okay. Rust, okay. Time. So it's a bit faster, yeah, yeah. Rust, then it's about the same, okay. Maybe Go's just actually goated? What? Here's someone screaming? Yeah. That's don't worry about that. I'm just kidding. Okay. That's my younger brother. Go's actually twice as fast here. What's that about? What? Is Go goaded? Okay, then here, yeah, the Mandelbrot Go's not very good at. Rust, go. Yeah, maybe Go's actually pretty fast. Go times out here. Okay, yeah, enough of that, enough of that. Fireboy, no. I have several younger brothers. Yeah, what was I working on? So I got the... Got that. Right, so in the other Hashmap that I wouldn't see, it had, like, I forget how it's called, but it's like linking, right? It has a linked list for each element, so if there's collision, it goes there. But this one uses the other method, which I also don't remember the name to, where it just goes to the next one, and then it goes to the next one until it finds an open one. With you and I, use fast ways in a hint. Yeah, for real, that's super weird. Very much weird. Kinda sucks. Mm. Right, so you still can't. Oops, still can't do that. You can't have multiple different ones like this. Yeah, and then you use like a string here. That does not work. I'll need to look more into how the generics work before I can do that. Yes, that does not work. Okay. I don't want to make a function for this though, so now handle error and just pass the error there, right? So if the error, well, but I guess it's different here. Yeah, because it's a different one. Could I have them both be the same? I don't know. Is there? I don't think there's any macros, right? Any library supported this? Right. Okay. So error. It's just like a user thing, right? So good, like element. And that will do all of this, right? It's having brothers objectively fun. Sometimes. Sometimes. Sometimes they're kind of annoying though, you know? They do be like that. Yeah, okay. How do you make a library? Right, so package, this would not be package main, it would be package, I guess, Hashmap. And let's, add Odin to hash, I'll do that. Right, so it works on this. Sometimes they're kind of useful, for real. Right, so then if I move this, let's, touch, open it here. What? Where did I come from? Move out. That's not right. I don't know why this has things in it, but okay. Grab this, place it in there, package, main, and then import. Connected main got Hashmap. Grew up without siblings nearby. So you were It was just you then. Expected directing. How do you do that then? Might have to be in maker Hashmap. Lib. Odin into lib. Also get rid of the main here. That's not what I want. This is what I want to get rid of, yes. Wait for who's playing Minecraft before? Many times, yes. We're watching YouTube. Usually watch YouTube together. Right, Fireboy, he's my younger brother who's closer. My other ones are a bit younger than me. But yeah, usually watch the same YouTube videos, but we did fight over who plays Minecraft for sure. Why does it keep changing your name? Okay, so then maybe that's different way of doing that. Alright, you can do that. It says like in import. Assyrian's brother jealous, you have your own computer. Yeah, for sure. He tries to steal my stuff sometimes. But I, play games with him and stuff, so. Because I'm the eldest brother, so I take care of them. I try to teach them programming, but they're not very interested in that. Here, so it seems to have not imported it. Oh, do you have to set it to public? They are exported by default. Okay. Uh, New package documentation. It's not what I want. Not exactly what I want. It is very bright. Why does everything have to be light mode? Packages. I will set it to dark. Right, it's the same thing I was reading here. But I don't get how you import one that is here. So hmm. So it successfully does import, but the eldest brother must be Giga Child. For real, for real. Or do I have to use the things here, right? So like that. Mm, doesn't like that. Both eldest and youngest brother, because no brothers. Yeah, well that doesn't really count, but okay, so I think I had to just prefix everything, right? Alright. Oh shoot, so I can't call that. I can't call it like that. HMAP. Almost there. What is that's ink, so that should be fine now. Assignment count mismatch. You could type name now. There. So we can't really do it like that then. Mm, how did you negotiate who was playing? Oh, well, we took turns, you know. I was generous, so you know, I didn't have to play every time. That's not quite right. The type thing doesn't get quite right. Okay, there we go. So what is that box? We use the library. Kind of, right? So it's a bit limited, but that is fine. Oh, shoot, it doesn't export T. That's unfortunate. Right, so I'll leave it like that for now. And I'll come back to that. But I want to make some private ones. Let's see. Where do you do that? Yeah, so at private. So I want, not that, not that, but I want this to be private. Capacity, that's like the starting capacity. That could probably be private as well. In private. I shouldn't be able to access those. That, right, these things I think we might need to access. Well, is it? So this is maybe you only access like the one system, or yeah, okay. So we can't do like line data, right? So that will fail. Oh, we don't have that. Import for format. Oh shoot, it's just like that. At school, someone brought in a phone, and you had to give that guy a sweet to borrow his phone and play Minecraft. Yeah. I never did that. Oh shoot, it does let you do that. But it's supposed to be private. Oh shoot, I did it to the wrong one. Oh, that. Makes it worse. Okay. I mean, that's fine. Should be able to call hatch. Yeah, so, well, no. Yeah, so it's not expert. Good. So that is good. That is how I want it. I think the other ones are fine, right? Yeah, the other ones are good to be publicly exported, right? Sometimes you gotta scan it, right? It to be like that. We don't have that. Okay. Great package, right? Push that. I scan for a suite for real. So there's some problems, mostly to do with the generics, right? Shoot, I thought I got rid of that. I did. Okay, good. I think everything else can be public, pretty much. We need to check the air is okay, so that's good. We're borrowing in like grade 2. Someone had a phone in grade 2? That is interesting. That's kind of young. Oops. Or 3. See, got Odin. Back, there we go. Alright, yeah, so I'm probably gonna go in a minute, so I'll do the Akinator, and then I have to go. Yeah, I'll probably do one more stream on the Hashmap, just doing more with the generic stuff, right? You got your own PC and didn't need to borrow phones anymore, for real, for real. Yeah. Okay, Akinators. Let's see if it'll work. It's a little bright, but that's okay. Characters. So I've not gotten into it. The phone's super late. Yeah, I got mine, I think I was like 14 or 15. Character real, yes. Adult man, yes. You know, technically. No. Korean group, I don't think so. YouTuber, yes. Kind of. Fat, no. Well, not really. Gamer, probably. Black, no. I can invest for real. 24-hour challenges, no. That'd be crazy. 24-hour programming stream? Cuss a lot, I do not. Glasses, I do not. Normally in a chair, yes. Hunt ghost, probably not. Flashbang, yes. I can't do anything about that. I wonder if it would work on dark mode. I could try that. Yeah, that's not really even that much better, so. It's a little better, I guess. Okay, it looks kind of weird now. Wear a hat all the time, no. Calm voice, don't know. Is it calm? I don't know. Don't necessarily that it's calm. Like playing Roblox, don't know. I'm gonna put don't know, right? So answering from the perspective of not myself. Really big hands. Not really. Blonde, no. Known for making YouTube shorts, no. Married, probably not. No, the answer is no. Sell a soul, probably not. As far as I'm aware, it's not. Known for Minecraft gaming, no. Have a beard? No. Gaming channel? No. Not really. No. American? Yes. Everyone knows that. Known for skits? No. TK Randall? That is not me. No. I don't know who that is actually. Show their face a lot. Yes. A golem? No. Actually, no. Killed human? Probably not. Probably not. Have any kids? Probably not. Do reaction videos? No. I should start doing some reaction videos. Theo reaction videos when? I don't know his full name. No. On Twitch TV? Yeah. Drummer? Ramones mentioned? Guessed you around 5 times. I've never gotten it. Have a mustache? No. From a YouTube animation? No. A furry? No. From Mamma Mia? I don't know what that is. White? Yes. Play horror games? Don't know. Like to draw? Don't know. A game developer? Not really. I'll put no. Well, I mean, I've made some games, but not like actually. From TikTok? No. I've never used TikTok. Own a giant paintbrush? Probably not. Feel reactions, Gigi Chat content, for real. Costa Luna? No. Make Reddit videos? No, absolutely not. Associated with MMOs? No. Create music? Don't know. Probably should have put probably not. Link to music in general? No. Make funny videos? No. Absolutely not. Link with the horror genre? No. Play in movies? Probably not. I'm gonna say it's a character because, what the heck? Who's the thing I'm talking about? What? It's too... Hey, yo, that's kind of creepy. You pick you do YouTube, it forgets about Twitch. What the heck? So it can't have both? Yeah, so it did not work out. Did not work out. Thinks I'm, inappropriate. Too inappropriate. That's kind of sus. Well, rest in peace. I'll have to try it again next stream. I'll keep trying it till I get it. I don't know how I'm supposed to answer, you know? Yeah, but I pretty much have to go now. Odin's fun though. I like Odin. I like it quite a bit. I think I'll come up with a larger project. So I might do Schoolie has this one. Ostrich. I'll have to read through it off stream, but I could try contributing some stuff to this. There's not a lot of information about it right now. But yeah, I think that can be fun, you know? It's for like a database type thing. So I'll look into that, because that could be a larger project to sort of work on and contribute to and stuff, you know? Yeah, this is actually the wrong branch. Yes. Alright, yeah. So that's gonna be about it for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Record it later. Alright, sounds good. Definitely. Yes, I want to see that. I want to see someone actually getting it. To see how you answer. But yeah, see you next time.